Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown. I'm back with another video, and as you can see, it says real simple system, real easy money, and I'm on a mission to share this opportunity with as many people as possible. Okay, now look at this with me, and this is as simple as it gets. Okay, real simple system, real easy money. Get some here, get some now. Now, what I love about this opportunity is all you have to spend, for the business is $29.95 one time out of pocket. Okay. And would you spend, here's the question, would you spend $29.95 one time if it meant you could earn substantial income? Okay. And eventually get out of struggling financially. Think about that. Now, what if you could earn unlimited, instant 100% commissions for every person who joins our opportunity? It's yours too if you get in. Okay, joins our opportunity from your link. Okay, discover how you can make a full-time income from the comfort of your home and never worry about money again. And again, think about it. An opportunity that there's no monthly fees that you have to worry about. Okay, spend $30 or $29.95. Okay, and you are in business with a fully loaded system. Okay, a fully loaded system for you to start making money every single day. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so here's one of the questions we ask, in sharing this program. Are you ready to start earning $200 plus per day? Okay, with a simple, now look at this, simple automated system. That's what it is. It's a simple automated system. Now picture waking up to notification after notification saying, payment received. All right. And now, one thing we like people to do is to imagine. Okay. So imagine seeing, because this potential is real. Okay. Imagine seeing $20, $160, or even $360 landing in your PayPal account or your Cash App. Okay. Daily. All right. Now, and let me just back up because I don't have Cash App here, but you can use Cash App or PayPal. Okay. Now the best part, the mini site, and I want to encourage you, at least take a look at this. At least go to the website, take a look at everything, and see how simple, see how powerfully simple this opportunity is. Okay. The mini site works 24/7 to sell itself, earning you money while you sleep, and there's no limit to your earnings potential. So check it out now. And GTL, you know what that means? It means grab the link. So grab the link in the description area of this video and get started today. Okay. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. And again, grab the link in the description area of this video. Get started with me today. Okay, let's start making some money. Real simple system, real easy money. It is the Easy20Now program. At least even if you don't sign up, at least take a look and see what you will be missing. All right. You be blessed now. Bye-bye.